good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Now within this video I am going to share with you my experience 2 years trading the forex market and as a day trader. Basically, like the title says, how I stay consistent during the week. Now last week in the trading, my trading setups, it was a great week, I must say. The market conditions is definitely changing. You can see that currency pairs that was bullish is now shifting to a bearish momentum, and so a lot of adaptation from my side this week in my trading. So not all my trades were winners this past week. I actually had 2 losses during the week, but this is how I stay consistent in my journey and in my trading, and how it so what I do on a daily and a weekly basis, or a daily routine before I take my trades. I normally do my back testing on a Sunday evening, and I do it differently, whereby I don't really focus on planning for the week ahead. I don't do forecasting. I more do back testing my pairs and the setups that I took during the week. So I focus mainly on the GBP pairs because my trading style is only suitable for the London session at the moment, because due to my time schedule. So I only trade London session. Now, before the pre-market analysis that I do every single day, I don't trade on Fridays. Fridays I do withdrawals. So I do my back testing on a Sunday evening, and during my back testing on a Sunday evening, I will go through the setups I took for the past week, and I will journal all my trades. I will have I normally take screenshots of the before and after shots of my trades. I take note of where I entered the market, where I exit the market for each trade, and that is how I document my journal. I will show you on this video. I will also include like a screenshot of how my journal tracker looks like, and that is what also helps me to stay consistent in my trading. Then after I backtest my strategy, I also look at my entry strategy, and journaling helps me to see the consistency in my strategy. And not just the consistency in my strategy, but you can have a winning strategy. That's what I really realize, is it's the how you apply it, because I've been teaching my strategy to a few people, and sometimes people don't really they don't really perform as good as you, because they don't execute the same way. So basically you can have a winning strategy, but what I realized is really the execution and how you apply the strategy, because there's certain psychological skills that you also need to master in order to become really great at the strategy. Right, then I look at all my past trades wins, and I analyze all my wins. I analyze my losses during the week, and I journal all my trades on an Excel sheet. That is how I stay consistent. Also, I set new goals for each week. I always have new goals. It's important for me to set goals because it helps me with momentum, you know. So that I can have momentum during the week when I become discouraged, because you're not always going to have motivation. But to keep up the consistency, I write my goals down, and that helps me to stay consistent. And also, I only look at certain pairs. I don't look at 10 to 15 pairs. I only look at the maximum that I will look at as 3 pairs, because I've mostly focused on trading GBP USD. From the starting journey, I told myself, to become better, I'm going to have to focus on one pair, trading that one pair, mastering that pair, knowing that pair, understanding that pair, because each pair is a different it's a different way of, and you need to have a relationship with the pair. You need to test that pair. You need to be with that pair for a while to actually become great at that pair. So I focus mostly on GBP USD. Also during the week, before I take my trades, on my way to work, because I am still full-time a worker, so That's why I also trade London. So on my way to work, before the market opened, I will always have my earpods in, and I will listen to podcasts. I listen to only a selected few people every single day. I listen to their mindset. I listen to their podcasts for psychology, for my mindset, to keep pushing and focusing on the journey, because the journey is not easy. Trading is accessible, it's easy to start trading, but the journey is not easy. You need to become a disciplined person, you need to become a really consistent person, you need to create habits, and you need to stick to your habits. So that helps me, listening to podcasts. And now I'm gonna take you over to like I will show you a clip of my background. Of how I actually use trading to like how I plan my trades and how I write down, and I'll just give you like a sneak peek of what I am doing when I'm doing my trading. So I also share my knowledge during the week with some other traders, and trying to get people up to par, to understand market structure, to understand technical analysis. So that is also part of my week. But how I stay consistent is really documenting my journey, putting a lot of hours in studying the market, and making time to study the market. Weekends, Saturdays I always take time off to analyze, look at my charts, plan my trades, journaling, and that is how I consistently win, because you cannot become consistently profitable if you are not a consistent person, or you're not consistent in following your trading system. You need to have a winning system, but you can have a winning system and still not win, because you need to, in order to win, you need to be following that system consistently. How you follow the system, that is the results that you will get. Thank you for watching this video. I am happy to share my journey with everybody. I hope that this will also help you in your trading journey. If this has been value to you, please like this video. Please subscribe. I see people viewing the video, but they don't subscribe to the channel. I am on a journey of becoming a 6-figure trader, and I am excited to share my journey with you. Thank you for watching.